Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Subaru Outback, stock number 6403. This ran from the 5th 2013 and the 7th 2014. It has a FB 25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic all-wheel drive transmission. This is the FB 25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no damage. Left rear door, no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear taillight. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door, no damage. Right front door, no damage. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.